Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Hi Crafties! It's me, Blossom Bree and Whitey! So for today's video, i-hoster ko po kayo sa aking bahay, bunny house. Teka, parehas lang pala silang bahay. So guys, itutur ko na po kayo sa aking bahay. Bahay ng munting prinsesa. So wala pa po akong gamit dito dahil tamad pa ako mag-build charot. Hindi pa katitapos, kaya wala pang mga gamit. Kaya ito pa yung rooftop ko. Teka, mo ko muna yung maliit na butas dito. Nabura ko yung wool dito. So, ito na po pala yung bunny house ko. So, pasensya na po sa background music. Pero hindi mukhang bunny house. Kasi tingnan mo ang laki ng mata. Parang multo. O, diba? Kaya papalitan natin na hindi pwedeng hindi. Kasi, ang pangit sobra ng mata, guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Papas forward natin siya kasi medyo matagal ako gumawa.
Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but
Ayun na guys, makala siyang bunny. Ang cute kaya tignan. Sobrang weird lang kasi tignan mo may naglagay ng ganyang wall pero na white naman talaga yan. Bakit ganon? So guys, may part 2 pa po to pero like for part 2 and subscribe for more. Bye bye! Bye Crafties!